In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoho to your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Zoho fully integrated and ready to optimize your business functions seamlessly. The first step on our journey is to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. Start by logging into your Shopify account if you haven't done so already. This takes you to your store's dashboard, often referred to as My Store at Home. This is your main control center, and it should be pretty familiar territory if you've been using Shopify for a while. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Settings option towards the bottom of the left-hand menu. This is a crucial hub where you can fine-tune the various aspects of your store. Click on Settings, and within that menu, go ahead and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section houses everything related to the apps integrated with your store, providing a streamlined view of what's currently installed and available to you. Next, we need to access the Shopify App Store. You'll find a prompt or button labeled as Shopify App Store. Click on it. This action redirects you to a world full of third-party apps that can enhance your store's functionality, and it's here where you'll find the Zoho app you're after. Once you're in the App Store, head to the search bar. It's now time to type in Zoho. As you type, a list of relevant applications will appear in the search results. Take your time browsing through these options and read their brief descriptions to ensure they align with what you're looking to achieve with your store. Once you've made your selection from the list of Zoho apps, click on the Choose button next to the Zoho app that fits your needs best. This will bring up a more detailed app page, outlining the features, reviews, and pricing. It's always a good idea to scan through this information to ensure that the app not only meets your requirements but is also well reviewed by other users. After confirming that this is indeed the app you want, you'll find a button labeled Install. Click on it. Installation processes may vary slightly between apps, but they're generally straightforward. Be prepared to grant necessary permissions that the app requests as it integrates with your store. Rest assured, these permissions enable the app to function optimally within Shopify. Finally, a confirmation screen or message will prompt you to complete the installation. Click Install again to finalize, and there you have it. With Zoho installed on your Shopify store, you're all set to streamline your processes, offering both your team and customers a more efficient browsing and shopping experience. Thank you for following along, and until next time, happy selling.